What did you say? Nothing. She just smiled at me. You know what? She's very about it. You wanna go to the park? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Go ahead. It's big of I understand. You can understand. Promise. Every universe has those shoes.
Why did you hide it from me?
Hide what?
You know, it's a mistake to lie to me. Especially if it's something about dating a boy.
Mom, I'm sorry. I was scared.
You don't know what you're doing. You're still a kid!
But Mom, I love him.
No. You're free to date any girl you want. But if it's a boy that you want to be with, I'll get to decide who you marry. You will marry the person that I will choose.
Fine.
Julia?
Ma'am, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, ayaw ko naman ng bagay?
Anak, this is for your future. At para sa kinabukasan ng ating kampanya.
Pero ma...
Wala namang mawawala sa atin. We'll just get married and live together.
Pero hindi ikaw ang gusto kong pakasalan. May mahal akong iba.
So what? We'll just get married without intimacy. For legality and practicality lang naman.
Let's continue this meeting when I get back from Manila.
I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Raval. And thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Oh, gosh! Walang kwenta. Sayang oras ko. I'll call my friends na nga lang. Girls, meet me at Robinson's. The boy I'm arranged to marry is so boring. Oh, stress! I want ice cream tuloy. 6 p.m. sounds good.
magdigos na karyan. Sigad ko. Naglamis na dinong takaryan. Nihat ni. Ang bigas lang na dito na nakikita mo. Kan sino, Jay? Lalaking tatay. Ana? Sa Balimon? Papabasol na? O di ba ang kasmate ko lang suna? O di ba ang game ko lang suna? Susukan na kon? Madim ka atin. Kasi gamit lang kinanayin ako kayatin. Kayat nga yatin.